Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And today I'm here with another Modak recipe for you guys. If you haven't checked out my previous Modak recipes, do check them out, watch them. They were also brilliant. I would leave the link for both of the recipes in the description box below so you can watch it for yourself. For today's modak, it's gonna be super healthy, and I am talking about the Khajur Modak. Yes guys, if you are someone like me who loves sweets and modaks and who cannot say no to sweets, and if you have some, if you're cutting down on your calories and sugar, and if you still want to have modaks, then you can try this Khajur Modak at home. This is an absolute no sugar recipe. We are using all natural sweeteners in this and they are equally yummy. Trust me you guys, if you are someone who's cutting down calories and want to enjoy modak still, you need to try this recipe at your home in your kitchen. It gets prepared very easily in almost no time, and all of your guests are gonna love it too, majorly because it's sugar free guys. So keeping all of the health quotient in mind, you can definitely serve these modaks to your guests and to Bappa this year, and I'm sure they are both gonna love it and you're gonna get a lot of praises. If you want to know how to prepare these Khajur modaks at your home very easily, then please keep on watching the video till the end. So for this recipe, we're gonna start by taking 1 cup of deseeded khajur or dates as we call it. I've taken out all of the seeds. You also get deseeded khajur in the market, so you can get it from there as well. Then blend all of these khajurs really well in the blender. You do not need any water or milk while blending. For the next step, take a heavy bottomed pan and add about 2 tablespoons of ghee to it. To this, add about 1/3 cup of chopped almonds, 1/3 cup of chopped cashews, 10 to 15 chopped pistachios, 10 to 15 chopped raisins, and 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. And then roast all of these really well for about 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Just make sure to keep stirring it so that they do not burn. Once they are well roasted in ghee, add our mashed and blended khajur that we prepared earlier. And then again mix everything really well and roast it again for about 5 to 10 minutes on medium low flame. Just make sure to keep stirring it at all points. And though this is a sugar-free recipe and I tasted it, it has good amount of sweetness. But if you still feel that sweetness is less or you want to add some additive sugar, then you can go ahead and add it at this step. After 5 to 10 minutes of roasting, your mixture would look something like this. Take this out on a plate and let it cool down for a while. Until the time it cools down, let's grease our modak molds. I'm using this plastic modak mold. It is very easily and affordably available both online and offline. I'm just gonna grease it really well with ghee. And once our mixture is semi-cooled, I'll start filling it inside this modak mold. Just make sure to cover all the nooks and corner and fill it up really well. Okay, so this is how our modak looks like. Gently take it out of the mold. Be very careful with this step. And tada! Here's our first Khajur Modak. Repeat the same steps with the remaining dough. And all our Khajur Modaks are ready. Enjoy this guilt-free and sugar-free recipe. It is super healthy and even more yummy. You're gonna love it. So guys, I hope you liked this recipe. Do let me know what do you think about today's recipe in the comments down below. You can also leave me your suggestions if you would want me to share more such recipes with you guys. You can also share your recreations with me on my Instagram handle. The Instagram handle would be given on the screen, so you can follow me there, connect with me, DM me and share your recreations of modaks with me. I would love to see what you are preparing in your kitchen. And stay tuned to my channel for upcoming modak recipes. Trust me, you guys, you do not want to miss them. I'm also sharing few modak recipes on YouTube Shorts, so make sure to check that out. And I'll also be sharing more such recipes with you guys. So stay tuned, click that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. I've already uploaded a lot of modak recipes for you guys. If you haven't checked them out, I would leave a link for that in the description box below. I'll also create a playlist so you can watch all of the modak recipes there. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.